Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be picking specifically for stock lock Sunday. This is the Dom IX10 I believe. 10 dimple pins, 5 on each side. That's the bitting. Quite nice bitting actually. But I'm just going to be using a flat flag. Unmodified I think, which should be this one. Yeah, it's unmodified. Light tension to get into it, and then we're going to gut it, see what's inside this little puppy. So we're going to zoom in a bit to give you a decent angle. That's the puppy. I'm going to pick anti-clockwise, clockwise, sorry. Right, so number 1 is loose, 2 is binding, click out of him, 3, 4, 5 is binding, coming back through, 4, 3, stuck, that's it, 2, 1, nothing. I'm going to go down the left side now, nothing on 1, 2, 3, click out of 4, nothing on 5. I'm going to come back through the stack, just giving each one a little nudge. And a little click off pin 1 there. 1, 2, click out to 3, 4, nothing at the back. Another click out to 3, nothing on 1, click out to 2. Down the left side, I click out to 1, click out to 2, nothing on 3, 4, or 5. Back down the right side now, nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, slipped, try and find 5, that's it, nothing there, work my way back through the stack. Look down the left side, 1 feels like he's where he'd need to be, so now 2, 3, 4, 5. So on 1, click out of 2, another click out of 3, 4, nothing at 5. Click out of 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. Something's just holding us up on the right side, I think. So I'm going to go back down, give them a little tickle. Another click out of 2. 2 sets quite high. Check on the left side now, just in case I've missed something. 2 is where it needs to be, 3 is, click out of 4, and 5. So we'll click out of 2 there. Something must be overset because I'm not getting any further now. So I'm going to let off the tension just a little bit. 1, 2. Nothing on 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing down that side. Putting up a decent fight now. Just had some movement on the plug. I'd overset 3. So this is probably it's going to be the last pin that we'll pick before it pings open. There you are. Put up a good fight in the end, that did. It's probably one of the slowest times that I've did it, but opens and open. Stop lock Sunday and all that jazz. Right, now then let me get my pin and mark. I have got the key for this, so we're just going to lock it back up, but it is picked. Works perfect. So we are going to need come off. I'll try and use the shim. I don't know if one shim will be wide enough, to be honest. I can't even get one in. So that's all the lovely goodness. I'm struggling with this camera because I've smashed the bloody I've smashed the screen in my camera. But we're going to see if we can get this apart one way or another. Don't know which way is best to do it, like. So, pin side left one. These have got the funny looking pins as well, they have. They've got like the little bevels down the side. I don't know what they're for. was a spool, that one. I'll give you a close-up anyway at the end. Another spool there. They've got tapered edges on the spools as well, literally like cut right across at 45. So that's the key pins. Nothing really to show for the plug. Right, so up top, I don't know if this is going to spring everywhere or not, but we'll try. We'll kind of keep that. Oh, it's not going to work, is it? Key pin 1, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side. I'll stand it up to now. Nothing really to show. Left side, right side, left. So all the driver pins were standard, apart the only security pins was in chambers 4A and 4B, if you like. They were like little spool pins. So there's nothing really to show inside of there, so I'm just going to say that that's a wrap. If you'd like that video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe and like the video. I'll also be doing a lot of still shots of this because people tend to like them. So I'm just going to cut the video there and see you on the next one. Happy Stock Lock Sunday, everybody.